Hello everyone, I'm Alan from Yellow Tuxedo, and today I'm going to be giving you a little tour of the Hopin platform that we're using for the Digital Circus live on the 18th of May. So the first page you're going to see is this page here, which is where you come and buy tickets. And we've got admit one for £35 and you get your digital goodie bag and access to all of the sessions on replay. And then we have our exhibitors booth and entry here at £150. We also have some private tickets for students and our Digital Circus members. On the left is where you find out more information about what the Digital Circus is about, our exhibitors and sponsorship opportunities, and then importantly the schedule, our fabulous keynote speakers and workshop hosts, who they are and what they're going to be talking about. And as we scroll down, we've also got our lunch options for you all to choose from, and then we've got our gin tasting cocktail session with the thirsty foal for everyone to be involved with. As we go down, we've got our amazing sponsors. Thank you to all of them. And then we have even more information on the schedule where you can add bits to your calendar, because really this is a pop in and out event. If you don't want to spend the entire day sat there watching, you can add certain bits to your calendar, choose the ones you want to watch live, and then you can get all the rest available on replay. When you enter the Digital Circus Live on the 18th of May, it's going to look like this. This is our reception. We've got a little bit of music for you and a welcome information and more information again about our speakers, hosts and sponsors, and the schedule there so you can see what's going on and who's saying what. That's reception on the left. This button here takes you to the main stage. First up, welcoming you will be myself and Emily, and it gives you a little bit about us, and that is the main circus ring where all of our keynote speakers will be delivering their amazing sessions. Next up, we've got our sessions. This is our workshop area where we've got fantastic hosts delivering sessions for you, showing you how to be growing your business online. A session only appears here 5 minutes before the event, and this is the first one of the day. That's why Adam from Tuxedo is showing you. And you just click on the one you want to enter based on what you've seen on the schedule. And when you're in those sessions, you can watch, you can request to join in on video and have a chat with Adam, or you can just chat to him using the chat on the left. And at all times you'll have event on the chat, and you'll have a specific chat on the right hand side. So you'll have the event here where you can always see what's going on, and you'll have whatever section you're in at the time on the left hand side there. And that's the networking. Networking, you click a button here and you are paired with someone ready to go. And then we have the expo area right here where we've got 3 fantastic businesses at the moment and loads more coming in the next month or so, ready for you to have a look around and what they're doing. And once again, like with all of the sections other than the stage, you can view them, you can chat to them if they're in there, you can request to be on live video with them, or you can just click a button and send them an email and it'll have your details to get in contact. So this is the Hopin platform that we're using for the Digital Circus Live. Thank you very much.